Hi guys, welcome back to Tiny Toys Review.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tiny Toys Review. Today we have a new game. It's called Hungry Hungry Hippos. So what is this game about, Ethan? Can you tell mommy?
I can tell you about it so
Okay.
easy. So the point of this whole game is you press on the back of the hippo and you have to try and make your hippo eat the marbles, and whoever has the most marbles wins.
Alright, that sounds very good. Should we open it?
Yeah?
Okay. So once you open it from the box, you will find 4 hippos. Yeah, hippo bumps. So what color are they, Ethan?
This was blue, this was yellow, this was green, this was orange.
Wow, and
And the point of this game is you have to do that.
okay. And what about this one? I wonder how many marbles do we get? Wow, it's a lot.
You
1,
have
2,
to
3,
get it
4,
out.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 marbles. So one yellow marble and the rest are red. Okay, should we open it?
Yeah.
So here they have the instruction paper, and it says the green one is Vegipotamus, the blue one is Sweetiepotamus, and the yellow one is Bottomless Potamus, and the orange one is Hungry Hippo. So first of all, we have to attach it to the back. Let's do that. Okay, so once you see this one, you have to attach it inside it, and you have to put it into the hole, and then yeah, that's how you do it. And then now we take 5 each. Okay, every hippos get 5 each. Come on, you guys get and put them all here, 5 each. Okay, 1, 2, keep going, 3, 4, 5. Good. And then another one, guys. Ethan, put the other side. Yeah, keep going.
I won't even get that.
Okay.
Three.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have lost 2. Maybe it's on the floor. Then we have to press this button. Yes. Okay. Ready, Ethan? 1, 2, 3. Keep going, Ethan. The other one too. This one too, Ethan. Okay. Now you have to eat it. Come on, Ethan. Ready? What about the blue one?
I win.
Okay.
I
Who
only
wins?
get one.
Oh dear. Okay.
I win.
You won it? Good too. You are already.
Let's play
Alright, let's do
again.
it again, okay? Now we have to put them in there first. Oh, no, I mean this one in here straight away. Okay? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me some.
Okay, you play, guys.
I need more money.
Okay, more here.
More?
Yeah.
I can't reach it.
There we go.
There's one more.
Oopsie.
2 left.
Good job. Ready? Ethan, press this one too, and then that one too. Okay, ready? 1. Here, Ethan. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Now eat. Good job, guys.
I win again.
Well done. That's how you press it. I mean, this game is really fun because they can learn how to count too, and then learn colors. Yes, and of course learn how to win the challenge.
I win.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching our video. We hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. Until next time, bye bye. Thank you guys.
all the